Okay, so I have to say, this camp space was the best cosmic convergence festival I've experienced ever on this side of the universe. Congratulations to all of you for the excellent work and cooperation it took to pull this off. You truly are showing the galaxy how it's done. Now, we are setting up an official camp space archive. Why, you ask? Well, who, man? I'll tell you. It's so that we can save all your precious camp space memories in one place for easy access and viewing. And we're working on an official after movie. Okay, so all you need to do is send your photos and videos from your experience at Camp Space to campspace.archive@gmail.com. That's campspace.archive@gmail.com. Look, we even made a cool logo for it. So listen here. Don't be a slacker and forget to do it. Drop what you're doing and go now. Tell your boss you need to go on break. Pull over to the side of the road. Put the groceries down and leave the store. Whatever you got to do, just do it. Zorgon out.